What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today I got a little sound speaker comparison between the old iPad Pro 10.5. Now this is from 2017. Yep, I'm still rocking this, and it's still a very nice tablet to have. And you could probably pick it up for a very reasonable price right now. And the old, that's old, and this is old now. This is 2018 iPad Pro 12.9. So I was just sitting around and I wanted to make a video, and I thought about this. I've done these two tablets against other tablets as far as sound quality, and I've never put these two up against each other. This is mainly just to see how the speakers compare. Now they both have quad speakers. Two on the top, two on the bottom. So two here and two here. And the same way with the 12.9. And this is just to see how they compare to each other, the sound. Now I'm going to play two selections. And we're just going to see how the quality sounds. Check out the bass, the mids, the highs. And then I'll do like just a audio type test on it, like looking at one of my videos, just listening to the audio and not music, just compare and see how they sound. All right, so I got one selection up here. Gonna have the volume up on both of them all the way. So that's max volume. And that's max volume, as you can see here. So let's go. I'm gonna start on the 10.5 first, so let's go. All right, that is the iPad Pro 10.5. Pretty decent. Let's go with the 12.9. All right, a little bit more of that on the 10.5. All right, a little bit more on the iPad Pro 12.9. All right, so they both sound great. At this point, what I can say, this one has, the 12.9 has a deeper bass sound. I don't know, because it's a bigger tablet. Maybe the speakers are a little bit bigger or whatever. This one is loud, but just not as deep sounding as this one. So, but they both sound great. So let's go to another selection here. Let's play something else. Let's see. Let's go on the 12.9 first this time. Let's go with this selection here. All right, we're going to do that same selection over here on the 10.5. All right, a little bit more on the 12.9. $10.5. All right, they both sound great. Again, this one's just a little bit richer, deeper sound, but they both are filling the room up with sound. So definitely both are definitely great speakers on the device. So this is the last music selection. This one has a little bit more bass. If you watch my videos before, I've played this before. So all right, that's 30 seconds there. Let's go ahead and get that same one up here. All right, a little bit more over here. All right, a little bit here. Okay, they both sound great, man. This one, like I said before, this one's richer, deeper bass, and just a little bit more room filling. But you can't go wrong with either one of them. So let's look at something with just mainly audio in it. So I got one of my videos queued up here, and let's go ahead and play some of this. The case that I picked up from my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Yep, the Tab S6 is back. Did have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. Found a great deal on the Tab S6 again. All right, that's mainly audio. Let's get it over here. Back with another video. And today I got a case that I picked up from my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Yep, the Tab S6 is back. Did have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S. All right, a little bit more over here. Go ahead and pick it up. So, picked up a case for it. I got this from Amazon.com. Price is $14.99. It comes in blue. Okay, so that was a comparison between the iPad Pro 2017 10.5 and the iPad Pro 2018 12.9. So if you pick up either one of these, you really can't go wrong. They both have some great sound. You can get this one really, really cheap right now on the low. Well, not cheap, but you can get it on the lower end prices if you find it used or secondhand. And this one, I bought this one refurb, and it still was over $900. But if you're looking for devices with great speakers, then you can't go wrong with either one of these. Will H, and I'm out.